going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing. This is me being a little bit late to the game, but we finally have AirPods Max on our hands. And this is going to be my brand new pair of editing headphones. So without further ado, we are going to open these bad boys up and set it up. And then there is nicely a little pull tab here on the side, which we can go ahead and unravel. And from here, it's just all this plastic. Alright, and then now the reveal. Gonna have to lift up on all sides with one hand since I only have one hand I can use. Let's go ahead and pry open the box like so. Alright, and here we are. And there they are. Beauties. Wow, that headband feels nice. And then, of course, there is a brand new Apple product smell. And then under here, we get our spare cable, which we don't necessarily need right now. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that in the box. Then we get a couple of things here. Get a couple guides. It looks like no Apple stickers, sadly. Yeah, these are all just warranty guides. So, no Apple stickers with this guy. You get a nice little booklet on how to set them up. I'm going to go ahead and unravel this for you guys. That way I can also show you. Yep, so that is everything here. And then we're going to go ahead and pair them to my backup phone here, which should pair them to everything else. First, we are going to take the plastic wrapping here off of the case that it comes in. It's actually not even plastic, it's paper. So I'm going to go ahead, separate the paper. Definitely did that the incorrect way, but it's not that end of the world. Alright, that is that paper insert out. And then here we have the gorgeous casing here. We're going to remove it out of here. Gonna remove it out of its casing. And then here you have its beautiful space gray aluminum. It's very gorgeous. Alright, then if we turn over the headphones, we have these little paper inserts. We can go ahead and dispose of those. And then it looks like, according to that little white LED, that they are already in pairing mode. So we're going to go ahead and pair them up to our backup 10 here. Then to also set them in pairing mode, we go ahead and press down the switch there, but they already came up here. So we're going to go ahead and connect them. Right, and these are going to just kind of go through the animations here. The button is going to be for noise control there. And media control is the digital crown right here up at the top. And that's just kind of going through the control center there where you can lower the volume and such. it looks like they're at 54%. Yep, so I'm going to go ahead and charge these guys up and give them a listen, but that's going to conclude this unboxing for them. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.